Hello everyone! In today's video we are going to see this iPad mini free that doesn't charge. So, as not to take too long with the video, we have disassembled the device and we are going to replace the charging connector. With the help of the microscope, we have observed that is damaged. The charging connector is soldered in this way. We apply flux to facilitate the removal connector. We can use amtech or quick chip flux. We apply solder lead paste and we tin all the pads. In this way, we mix the old solder lead with the new low temperature one, so we'll remove it faster. We apply 380 Celsius degrees and 50% air to remove the connector. I'm using a tweezer high precision and you have to lift the flex gently. We apply low temperature solder lead to clean the pads. With the help of the desoldering wick, we remove all the solder lead. We use a thick tip soldering iron at 350 Celsius degrees. With a little cotton and isopropyl alcohol, we clean the area well. To correctly place the new flex, we have these guides on the two sides. We apply a good flux to improve the soldering. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We use solder wire 60-40 and a soldering iron at 350 Celsius degrees, so in this way we tin the pads. On the description of this video, I leave you the link from where to buy this charging connector. Here we can see the guide from the top part. With its help, we can place the connector correctly. We use a thin tip soldering iron to settle one of the corners. Now, with the help of the soldering iron, we solder all the pads. If you like today's video, please give it a like, subscribe and share it. You are helping us a lot. Don't forget to use flux and a temperature of 350 Celsius degrees, which is the ideal temperature for this type of microsoldering. It might seem a complicated process, but the truth is that it's very easy. You just have to follow these steps. We use a little cotton and isopropyl alcohol to clean the area. Then we will focus the area to observe better the soldering. Here I leave you a trick. To know if your soldering is done correctly, with the help of a plain emulator, I'm leaving you all the points of test of this connector. The gray pads are the ground pads. You just have to check the continuity of each pad with the help of the tester. If you have continuity on all the pads, then the device will work for sure. Here we have our iPad mini 3 with the new connector. Now we are going to use a charging base to observe it. As we can observe, we've got a charge with 1.6, 1.7 amperes, which is a good charge for this iPad. So guys, this was today's video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.